In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Dropbox. I'll walk you through here everything that you need to do and know about creating your account. So first, go to dropbox.com. You can either type that in on your web browser, or if you need to go to Google first and then just type in Dropbox, you can do that. It should be the first one to come up. Just make sure you go into dropbox.com. Once you are on the Dropbox website, you will be given the option to try Dropbox for free down here, or you can click on Get Started in the top right. Either one, you can go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to this window anyway, where it will try and get you to buy a premium version of Dropbox. This chat also might open, which you can go ahead and click on the downwards arrow and just minimize. Now, we obviously don't want to use the premium version. I mean, if you did, you can always go ahead and buy it or try it for free. But if you scroll down to the bottom, if you just want the free version, you can go to the basic free version, and this will give you 2 GB for free. So you can go ahead and then click Get Basic. By doing it this way, you can always upgrade your plan later if necessary, but for most of you, you are going to be happy with 2 GB, I'm assuming. You can then go ahead and click on Continue with Google or Continue with Apple if you've got a Google account or an Apple account which are logged in on your browser. So if you don't have them logged in and you click on them, you are going to have to sign in to your Google account here. Now, you can do it this way, or you can enter in your email address manually. Let's say you have a different email and you don't want to sign up with either Google or Apple. You can enter in your email manually, which is what I'm going to do. Once you've entered in your email, click Continue, and then if it hasn't been used before on Dropbox, you can see here you can then agree and sign up after you've entered in your first name, your surname, and your password. So we've now entered in those details. We've clicked Continue, and again, it's going to try and get us to use Dropbox with their premium version, which you can go ahead and try for free. But I'm guessing if you do that, it's going to ask you to put in your card. You are going to have to cancel it later on. So there's no point if you're only going to use the free plan. So go to Continue with 2 GB Dropbox basic plan. Then it's going to ask you how are you going to use it. It doesn't really matter what you give them the answer to here. It will then prompt you to install the desktop app or the mobile app, which you can do if you want to complete the setup, but I would just skip this for now and just get to the main Dropbox interface, get your bearings, and then you can watch one of my other tutorials on how to actually use this properly. So we've now created our account. We now can use this to upload files. We are going to get 2 GB for free. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.